the buckthorn part back there. And a lot of it's been cleared out in here. Especially over here. This area behind the willow tree. You can see a few odd little ones here and there, but took a lot of it back. This edge was all full of it. There's a big pile there. I don't know how easy it is to see. Some big piles here and there. We'll probably burn them in the springtime. Fairly big pile out here in the wood, or out in the grass too. In the woods, dragged it out. That's it. Just thought you'd like to see the blackbirds. One of the signs of fall from home. See you, Sean. Bye-bye.